I want to end. I want to end on journaling. This is something I started doing recently. I got it from this girl over here named Rachel Hollis. So I can't say that this is something I made up myself. You don't need to buy a fancy journal. As long as you have notebook paper, you can do this yourself at home. I do this every single day, guys. I do this every single day. Every morning, you're going to wake up and you're going to write 5 things that you're grateful for. But they can't be big things. They can't say, like, I'm grateful for Kingsbury. Today, you might say, I'm grateful that we had a walkout today at Kingsbury. Tomorrow, it might be, I am grateful that the cookies were a little extra doughy today at Kingsbury, right? You're going to write 5 things that deal with that last 24 hours, right? Like the other night, I went out to dinner with my brother, and one of my favorite hobbies is when they're singing happy birthday, I like to get the whole restaurant singing happy birthday. So I wrote on my thing, I'm grateful that my brother and I went out to dinner and we got everybody to sing happy birthday. We don't have time to do the meditation, but I want you to think about what are your 10 biggest dreams. Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years? And really be honest with yourself, even if it sounds ridiculous, because if you can't admit your dreams to yourself, they will never happen, right? If you can't admit them to yourself, they will never become a reality. And of those 10 dreams, I want you to focus on one dream as being your main goal. So every day I write my 10 goals, but I'm so focused on finishing my book that I write that down as my first dream. But when I write my dreams, I don't say, I'm going to finish my book. You know what I say? I say, my book is going to impact tons of people. My book is going to be a bestseller on the list. You need to visualize how that's going to feel when you've reached that dream. Because unless you know where that dream ends, you're not going to be able to build a roadmap to get you there. So number 1, 5 things you're grateful for. Number 2, you're going to write down these same 10 dreams every single day. One of them is going to be the main one that you're going to focus on. If you accomplish one, great. You take it off the list, you put another one on there. But these don't change. Unless for some reason, you totally decide that, I thought I wanted to be a veterinarian, but I actually, hate being in the veterinarian office. So if you want to take that off your list, take it off the list. And the most important thing in journaling, in life, in school, you have to be consistent. What you put in is ultimately what you're going to get out. And I'm telling you guys, when you write that stuff down, you're going to manifest so many things